Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you my portfolio website which I have built using React.js. This website isn't completely finished yet, but I still wanted to share it so that I can get your suggestion and feedback to make it even better. Here how the design look right now. I have keep it simple and clean. I am still working on improving the UI and animations. For the contact form, I have used service called email.js. If you don't know, email.js help you to send email directly to your website contact form to your email. So when someone submits the form, the message goes straight to my inbox of email. If you guys have any suggestion or idea to improve my portfolio website, please let me know in the comment section below. I really love to hear your thoughts. Also, if you want to check out the source code, the link is in the description. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.